Hello everyone. Today we'll move for our next expression in the series of Navrasa. Last tutorial we have started with our first emotion, and that's nothing but smile, Hasyaras. Today's emotion, today we are going to do 2-3 emotions together. So our next emotion is anger. You can show anger in different ways. Like first type of anger is when your mother gets angry, and when you have to portray this emotion on stage or in front of camera, then it would come like this. Like that. Another way to show your anger is when you get hurt by someone. It would come like this. Okay, this anger is a mixture of pain, getting hurt by someone, and anger all together. Okay, and the third way to show your anger is a mixture, or is a we can say is a combination of anger and kind of cruelty in that. Okay, it would come like. It's a combination of in this expression you have to exaggerate your eye movements, you have to exaggerate all kind of your facial expressions, like that. So these are three ways in which you can show your anger, that is krodh ras. Third type is to show third type of navrasa is fear, bhay ras. Okay, fear is generally when you get scared of someone, and it would come like this. In fear you have to exaggerate your body language along with your face, so it would come like this. Okay, and another way to show fear is when you see something which is very extraordinary, and it would come like this. Okay, it's a mixture of surprise and fear all together. So we'll move for our fourth emotion, fourth ras, and it's nothing but feeling of irritation. Okay, when you get irritated by someone, then it would come like. When you really don't want to go, or when you really can't bear that thing, or when you really don't like that thing and you are getting irritated, then this expression is perfect for that. Okay, the next rasa is nothing but shringar ras. Okay, and it's a mixture of smile, that feeling of love, or when you feel beautiful about yourself. Okay, when you get ready in front of mirror, like that, and it would come like this. Okay, this feeling is all about feeling special about yourself, or when you are in love. So in today's tutorial we have done 3-4 more expression, 3-4 more emotions: anger, fear, then feeling of irritation, and shringara ras. So in next tutorial we'll move for our rest of the emotions in navrasas. Till that, bye, stay tuned. Thank you so much for love, and subscribe. Thank you.